Dear students, from today's from today we are going to start the second lesson of civics. It is on page number 71. The name, the Indian Parliament. And friends, we are very familiar with this building. On every day on the news channel, we can see it on television. It is the Parliament House. It is the Parliament House, we know very well, and it is in New Delhi, right? It is the Parliament House and it is in New Delhi. Now, and we have studied in the last class also, in the first also, Parliament plays an important role in parliamentary system of government. There are the two system of government. In the first lesson we learn, that is parliamentary system and presidential system. And in the parliamentary system, this parliament plays a very important and role in the parliamentary system. And in this lesson, in this chapter, we will discuss the Parliament of India. So let's begin. We know the Constitution of India. It was by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and their committee. It was made by Dr. Ambedkar and the committee. Now, this Constitution of India has created the Parliament of India. We know we have accepted parliamentary system, and the legislature at the national level, that is the level of the central government, is called Parliament. Now, what is Parliament? Now, legislature or the members which or the at the national level, they works at the national level, and these national level legislatures level of the central government is called the Parliament. Parliament means the legislature at the national level, that is the level of central government, and is called the Parliament. It is at Delhi, and legislatures which works at national level. It consists of the president and two houses of parliament. Now see, we learn about the parliament, and it consists of president. We know the first citizen of our country, president, and it consists of mainly three things, that is president and two houses. Here you can see two houses of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, these are the two houses of parliament. It consists of president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Though president is an inseparable part of the parliament, he or she cannot participate in the discussion in either of the houses of the parliament. And here students, we know, though president is the first citizen, he is an inseparable, means we can't separate him from the administration. Then also this person, maybe he or she cannot participate in the discussion in either of the house of the parliament. Maybe it is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. President cannot take participation in the discussion, but some exceptions are there. But here, for our little information, the president cannot participate in the discussion. Now here, can you find that is for you, the constituent states in India get seats on basis of their population. For the purpose of election, the state is divided into territorial constituencies. The population of this territorial constituency is approximately equal. Use the internet to find out the number of seats each constituent state has in the Lok Sabha. For example, Maharashtra. Now we know 29 states are there, and 28 states are there, and 9 union territories are there. And in Lok Sabha, there are the fixed number of members according to the population, and this number varies for the different type. For example, in Maharashtra there are 48 seats only. In Gujarat 26 seats are there. In Madhya Pradesh 29 are there. In Goa 2. Why in Goa 2 only? we know very well Goa is the smallest state of our country. So here population is also less. So the number of members chosen for Lok Sabha, that is only 2, and in our state in Maharashtra there are 48 states, 48 seats are there for Lok Sabha, and here you can use the internet to find out the members of other states like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Arunachal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. You can find out for your additional information, you have to find out the number of seats in these states, which number of seats for Lok Sabha, right? Now here the two houses of the parliament are called the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Now friends, here in this video we learn what is parliamentary system, means what is parliament, and it was created by Constitution of India. Then the parliament consists of president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Presidents, though he is inseparable part, he never took, or he or she cannot take he cannot participate in the discussion. And then the two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and in details in the next video we will learn about Lok Sabha.